Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on product sourcing with Wholesale Central, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Wholesale Central website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to access the full features. Use the search bar to enter the type of products you are interested in sourcing. Browse the categories listed on the site to find specific market segments. Take note of the various suppliers available under each product category. Click on a supplier's name to view more details about their offerings. Review the supplier's minimum order requirements and pricing structure. Make comparisons between different suppliers to find the best deals. Pay close attention to shipping costs and delivery times, as these can affect your overall savings. Consider reaching out to suppliers with any questions you may have about their products. Request samples if possible to evaluate the quality before placing a large order. Create a list of suppliers that meet your budget and quality standards. Check for any current promotions or discounts that suppliers might offer. Finalize your order with the supplier that best fits your criteria. Keep track of all orders and confirmations for future reference. Evaluate the success of your sourcing strategy to identify areas for improvement. Adjust your approach as needed for future product sourcing endeavors. With these steps, you can efficiently save on product sourcing through Wholesale Central. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.